Eternal hope, illuminating the path to oneness. We are now living in a profound phase of existence where an extraordinary convergence of time and space unfolds. This is a realm transcending the limitations of our previous understanding, where the essence of negativity finds no foothold. Instead, we bask in the expansive embrace of consciousness directly sourced from the divine. Within this boundless dimension, the concept of degradation is but a distant memory. Harmoniously intertwined, every strand of our DNA forms a magnificent crystalline structure. As a result, the old Earth we once knew begins to dissolve, making way for the birth of a new Earth. We are now shaping the energetic fabric of humanity, allowing each individual to fully grasp the reality of dwelling in a heightened realm. As we depart from the three-dimensional realm, shedding the shackles of fear, doubt, enslavement, and mortality, a profound realization dawns upon us. We possess the capacity to open ourselves completely and align with the pulsating energy emanating from the core of our conscious hearts. It is in this sacred space that our true essence finds solace and resonance. And so, we continue to elevate our vibrational frequencies, tirelessly ascending toward a heightened state of consciousness. As we soar, our expanded awareness acts as a conduit, effortlessly grounding the influx of energy codes that permeate our being. With each step, we embrace the transformative power that resides within, propelling us toward a future brimming with boundless potential and limitless wonder. As the steady stream of incoming cosmic energy continues to transform our collective field, we are left with an incredible gift that has often been overlooked: transformation from within. Although it might seem too simple or even unnecessary, this gift of transformation is far more powerful than we have given it credit for. And as we commit to its transformative power, we forge a future beyond our wildest imagination. The Galactic Federation has indeed returned to the forefront, ushering in a new age of enlightenment and stabilization, and compelling us toward healing and growth. With each step we take, we become more equipped to face the challenges that life presents, moving forward with an abundance of purpose, passion, and creativity. And as we stir from our slumber, our opportunity for heightened awareness kicks into high gear. We believe the world we experience is a mirror of our vibrational state. It can only reflect the frequency that we ourselves have set. In saying this, we have come to see the power and importance of elevating our own capacity to experience positive emotions. If you desire positive change in your life, as we do, see it as an opportunity to awaken the dormant emotional potentials that are currently within you. This means that at any given moment, and in any given situation, you can elevate your vibration and therefore alter your experience. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "Each moment is a new beginning." We are experiencing this moment, so live it to the fullest. When we live in the moment, we are experiencing the highest levels of our lives. Embracing this wisdom will allow us to fully appreciate the beauty and joy that surround us. The unfolding realm of mind, body, heart, and soul is an infinite canvas on which we can create our personal masterpieces. In this moment of time and space, there's no room for limitations, only space to expand. Even through the darkness, there is a light to guide us on our way forward. As the days progress, we need not fear the challenges we face, for they are merely the structures within which we find solutions. We are at a time of profound change. A time when the old rules no longer apply and so-called facts are questioned. As our galactic brothers and sisters continue to pave this path of ascension before us, our appreciation grows deeper with each passing day. From them, we learn to tune in, to listen to that still voice that reverberates with truths yet unearthed. From them, we grow to feel a greater connection to one another and our beautiful Mother Earth. Through them, we become more aware of what truly matters in life. So as we continue on this journey from mere humans to one among the stars, we are reawakening a love for ourselves and all of creation that was lost eons ago. With each day that passes, we regain a piece of ourselves set aside for us so many millennia ago. When you have nothing left but hope, that's when hope begins. The dream is real. The world is coming together as one. We are all connected, directly sourced from the divine. We are one. We are nothing and everything at the same time. The dawn of the new age is upon us. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. We are the Galactic Federation. H.O. Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation. Voice for We Are Positive Worldwide.